Painting is a common process in manufacturing used both to finish the product visually and to protect the final product from damage. Traditional paints use a solvent to help deliver pigments and other components and help them to adhere to the surface, and most of these solvents are regulated VOCs and HAPs. Powder coating uses a dry powder instead of wet paint, eliminating solvent altogether. Like in wet painting processes, paint is applied using a spray gun. The most common method is electrostatic, meaning that the positively charged paint particles are attracted to the negative charge of the metal, causing the paint to adhere. This method ensures an even coat, with any excess powder falling off for reuse. The paint is then cured in an oven, which allows it to harden. Powder coatings are usually applied in one thick layer, unlike wet paints, which are applied in stages, such as primer, multiple coats of paint, hard coat, etc., and each stage has to dry before the next is applied. Powder coatings are harder and more flexible and therefore more durable. In addition, powder coating has a higher transfer efficiency than wet painting processes, meaning that a higher percentage of paint is applied rather than wasted, and the excess paint powder can generally be recaptured and reused. There are some limitations on when powder coating can be used. Most processes rely on curing ovens at temperatures over 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the electrostatic process only works on metals. Powder coating can be cheaper, faster, safer, and more environmentally sustainable than wet painting processes. If you think powder coating might be viable for your process, talk to your painting and coating supplier. If you have questions about switching to powder coating or need assistance, the Pollution Prevention Institute can help.